Day.
A car club out of Miami caused chaos on I-4 earlier today.
They were pulled over after several drivers called 911, just horrified with what they saw. First on Fox, Holly Bristow has details from the Orange County Sheriff's Office.
Well, the Orange County Sheriff's Office tells me that several calls came in to 911 complaining about a group of drivers with numbers on their cars weaving in and out of traffic, speeding down I-4. Flashing lights and a slew of fancy cars brought traffic to a screeching halt on I-4. Deputies say Gator Run drivers were making the roads unsafe.
Maitland and Florida Highway Patrol had both received numerous calls of a group of street racers running up and down I-4, both north and south.
At least a dozen cars were pulled over. 3 drivers were handcuffed. Commander Stonebreaker says they were all participating in a road rally known as the Gator Run.
Our helicopter picked them up southbound on I-4, well in excess of the speed limit, exhibiting some very dangerous behaviors.
According to the event's website, the Gator Run is a group of 50 drivers with exotic cars. The run starts in Miami and comes to Orlando for a night of partying. Each car has a number, and while they're marked like race cars, the Gator Run website clearly states, quote, "The Gator Run is not a race. You must not compete in any manner with other participants. You must not place any bets of any kind. You must drive safely with proper courtesy. In particular, you must not drive recklessly." But Commander Stonebreaker says the folks they pulled over were speeding, driving recklessly, and he says a passenger in one of these cars was hanging out of a sunroof using this camera to shoot video of the rest of the drivers.
They're all up from Miami. They indicate that this is acceptable behavior where they come from. We've tried to convince them that it's not acceptable behavior here in Orange County.
And to prove that that was not acceptable behavior, deputies wrote several tickets, and right now we're still waiting to learn exactly what those drivers were cited for. Reporting in Orange County, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.
And according to Gator Run's website, they've been doing this event twice a year for the past 2 years.